Hey guys, okay, so I'm going to show you how to find the 5-number summary and the standard deviation along with variance using Excel. The first thing you want to do is make sure you have Excel open, and then this is what it should look like once it is open. And then the second thing you want to do is make sure you have all of your data points ready to be plugged in. So all you have to do is just use the first row right here and start typing in your data. So mine would be 2.07, and then all you have to do is click enter, and then once you click enter it goes straight to the second one, so you don't have to stop and click it, you just click it and go. I typed mine up already, so here are mine. This is all of my data points. So what you want to do to find the 5-number summary would be to click at the very bottom so that it doesn't get jumbled with the rest of your data. And then I put my numbers in order already, so you can see mines are in order. But if you don't have yours in order, to do a very nice way of finding the minimum and the maximum would be, again, clicking at the bottom, go over here on auto sum, and then these are some functions you can use, but you want to go to more functions. That way you have a much better variety of them and easier to find. So what you want to do is go to, as I said, auto sum, and then the formula builder pops up, and then to find the minimum you click on min, you hit enter. Notice it highlights every single one of your data points. That way it gets the exact number correct. So you hit enter again, and there you go. That is your minimum. Again, because I put mine in order, my minimum is going to be 2.07 and my maximum is going to be 19.2. So I'm just showing you how to do it if your data is not already in order. So let's label that as the mean, and then click at the very bottom again in order to find the maximum. Click at the very bottom and then go over on formula builder and hit maximum and hit enter. Again, notice it highlights every single one of the data points you have up. This time you want to move it up because you found the mean. It highlights everything above the number you're trying to find, so make sure that it only highlights your data. It does not highlight any of the answers you've already found. So after you pull it up to all your data points, you hit enter again, and that is your max. That's the max. And let's label that so you don't forget. To find the median, again, you just highlight the next box under and then hit median and then enter. Please don't forget that it highlights everything, so you have to move it up to where your last data points were. So you hit enter again, and then that is your median. That is your median. Again, go to the very bottom in order to find the average or the mean of your points. So you go over to formula builder and the average is right here. You just hit enter. Again, it highlights everything, so move it up to where your data was. So right here. You hit enter, and that is your mean. I apologize, this is sorry. Okay, and then you want to find the first quartile first, so you highlight the bottom and then you click average again, and then you hit enter. This time you only highlight the numbers that are above, every number above your median. So our median was 3.39, so every number above that is what you highlight to find the first quartile. So after you highlight all of them, you click enter, and there you go. That's our Q1, quartile 1. And then to find our second quartile, you hit average over here again, you click enter, and this time you highlight all of the numbers that were under your median. So everything under our median, which is right here, and then you hit enter again, and that is our Q3, quartile 3. So Now you have found the 5-number summary. So you found the minimum, the maximum, the median, Q1, Q3, along with the mean. So that's our 5-number summary right here, along with our mean. To find standard deviation, you again click at the bottom and then go over to Formula Builder and then click standard deviation. Hit enter, and then you highlight all of our data points, and then you hit enter, and that is our standard deviation. Standard deviation. In order to find the variance, we have to go over here. So let's label all of the, I have a sticky opened up and labeled, so let's put all of our information in so we don't get confused. So our minimum was 2.07, then let's average this out to 3.65, and then 10. Oh wait, I apologize. See, we have to be really careful labeling because it's really easy to get confused depending on the order you went. So our median was 4.39. And then our third quartile was 10. Okay. And we found that our standard deviation was 5.55. Okay, in order to find the variance, you square this. So it would be 5.55 times 5.55 equals 30.79. So our variance is 30.79. If you're finding all this information on paper, as in handwritten, you would find the variance first. So this would be the first thing you find, and then you take the square root of this to find the standard deviation, which was 5.55. Okay? And there you have it. That's your 5-number summary, your standard deviation, and your variance using Excel. Thank you.